Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. Okay, these are the colors we're going to use. They're Christmas colors. This is the same green that I mixed with white in there to create a lighter color. I'm going to be using Elmer's glue 50-50, 50% water, 50% glue as a medium, and 1 part paint and 1 part medium in each of the colors. So here we are, very easy. If you have any struggles with the medium, just mix the Elmer's glue directly into the paint and then add water to viscosity. Now I am going to mix the medium with the paint, and you don't need to see this for all of the paint, so I will mix them off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, they're all mixed. Now it's the time that if you need some water, then you add it and you'll be good to go for the next step, which is adding the silicone or lubricant. In this case, I'm going to add the 3-in-1 silicone oil. And I'm going to use the silicone oil about 6 to 7 drops per color except the white. Not the white because it has a different density, and the white is the one that I'm going to use for the swiping. So no. Okay, as you can see, the difference that the white made in the green. All right, let's do this. Now I have my white that I'm going to use across, and I'm going to use it in a diagonal direction. I got this idea from Caren Goodrich. She made this swipe and I absolutely loved it. So of course, I'm going to make my own. Okay, in one side, we're going to put green, and in the other side, we're going to do red. So as you can see there, this is the one that I used the white. It's the same green as the previous color, but I just added the white. And you can also see that the green is already creating an effect when it touches the white. The reason we do these colors separately is because if we do red and white together, they'll become brown and it's not gonna be so appealing. Okay, so finishing here with the green, Mr. Grinch. So should we call this the Grinch side? Okay, I'm just filling up in here the spaces that I have with the rest of the green. And then I see some spaces in there in white. I know you're going to tell me, oh, Party, but this is so much paint. But you know what? It doesn't look good if we don't use enough paint. So now we're going on the other side using the red. There's one red, and you see in the green one, I used the green and then added white. With the red, I just had 2 different kinds of red, so that's what I used. And also, guys, I wanted to tell you, up to this point, I had not monetized my channel. It's been 2 years since I started with this, but since I was learning, I did not want to monetize it. But now that we have the formula down with Elmer's glue, I'm not using commercial mediums, this is a DIY medium, then I decided to monetize the channel, and so you're gonna start seeing more commercials in my channel. Just wanted to let you know, be upfront with everyone. And so, but anyway, I really appreciate that you guys have been with me since the beginning when I started learning this art. I didn't start my channel knowing. I started my channel learning. So I am just adding a little bit of gold in here because you all know I love gold. And I'm adding these drips of gold in an opposite direction, in a vertical direction, and see what it does. So the next step will be filling up this white, and we are ready to swipe. I'm going to be using 2 pieces of paper towel. I will fold it and then I put it in the middle. Half of the white in there, making sure that it covers the whole white, and I'm going to swipe with this. And there we go. Now, as you can see in the corner, I swipe a little too much, so I kind of scratch the paint. It's okay. This is how it looks. So now I'm going to use the other paper towel. I'm going to do the same with the with the red. Same thing, make sure that it absorbs the paint. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Slowly but surely. Can't rush art. So as you can see, some beautiful cells are forming, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of the leftover paint that I had and fill this up, and that's it. So don't freak out when these things happen. I mean, you're in charge, and just add, same thing with the red here, just add a little bit. You add the master touches to your painting, but make sure you don't overdo it. Okay, so at this point, man, I'm loving those cells. You like those cells? Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of heat in here. I mean, I like it like that, but I'm going to add a little bit of heat, so we'll see if we can pop some cells in there. A little bit here, a little bit there, and there they come. I do like that white, I'm telling you. I like what the white does. So knowing myself, I know that I'm going to add a little bit more of that metallic gold. So if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell. Now here is the dry pour. As I told you, I would add dots of gold here and there, and here it is. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you so much for your friendship and support. Look at that. Beautiful. Happy New Year. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.